Are you a new mortgage loan originator or agent struggling to find your footing in this competitive market? In this video, I'm going to share 3 crucial steps that you should take right away to develop more business and thrive in your role. Step 1. Spread the word to your sphere of influence. Now, the first step, which you may have already done, is to inform everyone in your sphere about your venture. Make phone calls, send text messages, create simple social media posts on all the platforms that you're already active on. This basic yet effective method will help spread the word among your existing network. This leads me to step 2. Reach the masses. Look, it's essential to reach a wider audience by leveraging social media platforms. Ensure that you have an active presence on popular platforms like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. See, these platforms provide excellent opportunities to directly connect you with potential clients who may be in need of your services. Now, if you're unsure about how to set up an account on these platforms, I've included a link to a free guide in the video description below. It'll walk you through the steps of establishing your accounts. Now, to establish yourself as an industry expert, focus on creating both short and long-form content for these platforms. Many people struggle with consistently creating compliant content, but that's precisely what you need to do. You should be posting at least 1 time per week on each platform, sharing short videos that answer common questions or provide value to your target audience. Think about the questions that a potential client may have and address them in concise 60-second or less videos. Now, if you need assistance with content ideas, consider using pre-developed scripts designed for this purpose because they can make the process easier and way more efficient. Now, I can vouch for the effectiveness of scripts in marketing strategies. We have a client who generated over $63 million in production in 2022 by incorporating scripts into his approach. Listen, it's really as simple as grabbing your phone, reading a script, and uploading it to reach the masses. If you require any support in this area, don't hesitate to reach out. You can find our contact information in the video description below to get access to scripts that work. Step 3. Continuously educate yourself. Listen, one of the biggest reasons people fail in our industry is a lack of continuous learning. You need to make it a priority to become a sponge and absorb every detail about your products and your industry. You need to allocate at least 1 hour each day to learning something new that will enhance your knowledge and your confidence. When you're confident about your subject matter, it will empower you to engage in open discussions about your services. Remember, clarity is power. By following these 3 essential steps, you can greatly increase your chances of success as a new mortgage loan originator or an agent. So remember, spread the word within your sphere of influence. Leverage social media platforms to reach a broader audience, and dedicate time to continuously educate yourself. Embrace these strategies. Watch your business flourish in this competitive market. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and insights. Thanks for watching. I'm Uncle Aaron, and I'm out.